Painting in detail can be scary, so what you should do, observe your reference first, what you are painting and what are the big shapes, like what are the color differences. There are many shapes: a mountain shape, a cloud shape, sky shapes, ground shape. So just cover the big shape first, and you will not be scared of the painting at all after that. Like I am making the sky here, and after that I will make the mountain shape, and later I will make the lake shape. Mix your color prior to painting beforehand and on your palette, or you can, if you are an expert, you can mix that on the canvas directly. I'm not an expert, but I sometimes mix these colors on canvas directly. Like I'm merging my transition color here. First I applied the darker color and then I applied the lighter. Now I am transitioning it directly on canvas. And now the lighter on the left side. I completed the right side, and now I'm doing the left side. Later on I will merge it, like I'm merging it right now. It's acrylic, and acrylic is the best medium for making a base because it dries faster, not like unlike oil, because they dry really slow. Even with liquid it takes 4 hours to dry, so you can cover your mistakes faster. That's why I do my base layer with acrylic underpainting. This now I'm making the mountains. Look how fast I'm covering it. Just big shapes. I'm not thinking about the detailing right now, but I have seen how what values will go. The values are light shade or dark shade. There I am covering it with a light color. I'm keeping in mind that I'm not going wrong with my values, lighter or darker. So you will have to keep that in mind. Now I have started detailing, so I had the urge to do that, so I stopped doing it later on because I have to just cover the big shapes only. Now I am making mountains. I'm not thinking about details at all, just big shapes, that's all. Here I am giving it a darker shade because there was a dark shade, and up there is a light shade. In the center there is a lightest shade because the sky was reflecting in it. Now here there was a shadow of mountains on the grass. I am not detailing it, I'm just putting a value, that's all. Now the grass is greener from the downside, from the lower side. Here there was a sunlight directly up on the grass. So these are just the big shapes I am observing and directly painting it. I'm not intimidated by the detailings yet, and I love detailing. That's why I'm using acrylic, so that I can complete this painting with details. Now I'm just showing you here how to put the depth in your clouds. Just a little bit demo I have used here.